I'm so happy I had the chance to work with Natalie. I reached out to her when I was in a really low mood, low energy, low everything. I had acid reflux. I wanted to lose weight. I wasn't sleeping well and I was feeling exhausted all the time. So I started working with her and she gave me so many powerful tools that I'm still using now, and I can happily say that I sleep well, I don't have any more acid reflux, I lost so much weight, and I'm just a happier person in general. And even going through the lockdowns hasn't been as bad as it would have been otherwise. So I'm very thankful, Natalie, for all the work you do, and please keep on helping people.